Hello, welcome on my stream. I hope I'm audible. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the chat. We did not get this entry. The market should have had to taken our entry here, but market did not return. Let's see how it goes right from here. This was accumulation, this was manipulation, and right now we are in distribution phase. The distribution phase is going to be very long and will go higher. Will make a higher high today. Let's look on US 100 till then. The US 100 has begun to reject from the inversion fair value gap. It is likely going to go up to today's new day opening gap. How much did it give? How many points? It has given like 80 points till now. Will we get filled in? I don't know. I think I lost 2 entries today. Let's try to enter in this market. Inversion fair value gap. Let's see if we get any entry in this. How is USD JPY doing? Let me show you my MT5 screen. What happened to my Chrome? Here it is. So now you can see it clearly now. This is the 1K instant account. This is 1 is to 2 point something trade. This is 1 is to 2 trade. And I took this trade from the order block, that is change in state of delivery, but the market has returned back to the bear side now. This is the highest level of liquidity swipe. Market had taken out this liquidity. Now it might take my SL, but I'm $6 in profit from the previous trade, so it doesn't so it won't matter as much. Let's keep on holding this trade, and the marking you are watching is that of a trade that did not get triggered. So I think I should remove this marking and mark the ones I am in right now. The entry is exactly here, just here. Exit is at top of this candle. The exit is 5158. 5158. Here is the exit. I think this matches the other overlay now. It goes to 1 is to 2, that is $20 target per day on this instant account. If I reach my target, that is $14, then the trade will be done for today, and I might even be able to withdraw after like 3 or 4 days. $10, that is $14 in profit. We need four more dollars. After more four, I think we need $4 more, and our trade will be closed. 5158.67. It is 09. It should be 67. So let me move it to 67. 5.5.67. So this is our target. Let's keep it here. So that's our target. The market has picked up volatility. I want the market to tap into this fair value gap, then go move up. Let's look at hourly candle. And the hourly candle is might close here. Previously my target was this one. Let's look at crude oil. Till then, the crude is coming back. There is an inversion fair value gap. Let's see if the crude has any potential to go higher. Actually, there is potential for the crude to go higher. Was this breaker that didn't touch. Oh, let me include the wick. It touched the breaker long and moved up. Now it has created a inversion fair value gap from which the market might go up. This trade is on gold. Let's convert back to crude again. Our trade would be like somewhere from here with your risk management in your hand. Should you only to it trade? Let's get back to XauUsd and see how is our trade going. Okay, hello Mr. Faizalam, welcome to the stream. As I had said, this will go up to this liquidity. Let us see the gold our trade. We need $7 more to close this trade, and the target for the day will be done. Let's look at oil, one of the best assets to trade ICT and US 100 as well. The US 100 broke this important fair value gap, and this one too. Well, let me tell you, there is no trade in US 100 for now. The Dixie is going down, so the gold should go up. As you can see, it is doing an ascending triangle engineering of liquidity. That candlesticks will compress here, then boom, then give sort up. This is engineering of liquidity, or it will just come down to take the entry and go up. As you can see, I had a trade previously, $6 in profit. Now we are in $7 in profit. That free 1K instant account. I'm aiming for $10, even $20 per day, so I can withdraw at $150. Let's see for how long it will consolidate. By the way, we are in macro time frame, that 150 to 210 macro. We might get stopped out. Quite uncertain at this point. Do you see the profit of having big stop losses? This is what you gain when you stop big stop losses. Even though master retraced so down, my stop loss was safe. And still now that market is engineering liquidity, my stop loss is far away to be taken out in just one candle. I'm not saying that it cannot be taken out in just one candle, but for the current volatility, it will not be taken out in a single candle. The market has compressed a lot. Now it will give an impulse move higher, either higher or lower. I think I will be stopped out here. Still safe. What happened to my position? I didn't close it. What happened, bro? Settings. I had entered on the low of this candle. Let me close the trade history for now. I hope this looks better now. This is taking too long. It should have gone to the TP al- already. Let's see it on higher time frame. On higher time frame, it has started to barcode. It has taken out this liquidity and given, and has it not given this market structure shift. It has given this one. This structure shift has been completed. What do you think? Market is bullish or bearish today? Okay, did you see our stop loss was shared by just one tick? Let's look at the oil that we had marked and see how is it going. So the oil is already going up. Let's look at NAS 100. The NAS 100, we have an inversion fair value gap here. Let's see if this one is respected or not. We are only forward testing right now. We will hit our target in like 5 minutes for sure. So the trade is going in our direction. Let's open gold chart. We are currently $5 in profit. After this, can you see this? No, so you can't. Let me turn off this for now. and switch up. Let me turn off this for now and switch up. Let me turn off this for now and switch up. Let me turn off this for now and switch up. Let me turn off this for now and switch up. Let me turn off this for now and switch up. I am I am about to blow my 100k account again without taking a payout, and that is another shame. But no worries, these things keep on happening. From next time, I haven't verified my. I have identified my weakness. This is a fair value gap. This is a liquidity swipe. This one is an TSS, the thunder structure shift, and this one is the fair value gap. Let's see if we get our entry, and our TP is all the way up to 5183. Let's look at it in the 5 minutes 160 minutes time frame. If the market is willing to come down, or there is a major sell side down here, market might try to come down, but I'm looking for longs. This is the Asia high, this is Asia low, and I'm targeting Asia high. This is a thunder FBG as well. Sorry, not opening rising gap, but thunder FBG. You can sort from here, plant your SL at this place and look for 1:2. So let's take this trade on the mobile with some lower lot sizes, like $100. Should we take this trade? Because this is a valid 100 fair value gap. Looking at the hourly time frame, the market should go down. Let's risk $100 on this trade. The stop loss will go here, and TP will come all the way down here to $400. There is something that is pushing the market higher. Are we going to take a hit again? Looks like we are going to take a hit again. Market didn't even. Oh shit, man. So we will take a hit again. The market is totally behaving in an unexpected way today. I think the payout is not in my. So I have $400 more in $400 more left in drawdown, after which I will lose this funded account. So it's wipe out this liquidity. Gave this thunder structure shift, and now this thunder fair value gap. Let's see if the market retraces back to this or not. If the market is going for this trade, then there is this whole is going to be this whole range is going to be captured. If the market had retraced just a little bit more, then we would have got this entry and we wouldn't have entered on this so long. Let's put a limit order here on this fair value gap. What is this? Oh, sorry, the market has giving us an entry. Let's go with one lot. Stop loss will come here. Nah, we will save some for later. Or we should go for market entry. We did not get filled in again. I think my kismat is bad. We will look for $1,000 in profit with this. We have $400 in risk, and we are risking $150 on this. So we will have 250, around 250 more. Well, I'm going like a crazy trader right now. Let's mark the few, I mean the long and short position markers. I did not get filled in. Shit, man, this just because of the spreads, I didn't get filled in many times. Those were the winning trades that get me filled in. Should I enter with? Should I enter with market? The exit is at 51.81. 51.81. Just do it a little bit lower. Oh, so we are filled in. Wow, now that's great that we are filled in. Now I want the market to go up so I can add more position later. What was our loss this time? This time our loss was on $21, but the previous candle close is not as good for the bullish momentum. Yesterday I did the foolish stuff, and you don't know. You know what is my weakness? When I get a losing trade, I start trading more until or unless I get to break even, or unless I reach the daily loss limit, and I keep trading until the daily loss limit is there to in a like if there is $3,000 daily loss limit, then I will keep trading and keep taking losses until the until the daily loss. My daily loss is like $2,900. Like in a hope that I will recover. I will recover that. I will recover that. I will keep trading. But the what I should have been doing that I should have stopped trading at that time only. Here on the mobile you have 15 minutes chart view, and on the trading view chart you have 1 minute chart view. Let's look at hourly time frame on the mobile. Now it is good that the market is trying to break above the hourly time frame barcoding. I can very well put hours TP at $1,200, and I think that would be a good decision. At 51.85, let's move at 15 minutes chart and observe from here. I just want to recover the losses and take a payout with this because I really need money. I am in college student on last year, and I am not making like any kind of money right now. And my payout with FXN has also been stuck, and they are also not responding for a week now. I am maintaining their server, doing their job, working as an affiliate, but still they are not responding to my queries. 'Let's look at the DXY. The DXY is going down, and it can go down with quite a lot, which means the gold has good upside momentum. The gold can go up to 51.92 very easily. 5 minutes time frame, the gold should reach these highs. It is 51.83, or better would be to take out all these liquidities at 52.23. 52.23 would be the best level to go for the gold. But as I can observe, the gold is in a down channel. Low, high, low, high, low, high. Only if the gold can break this high, the it will. If the gold breaks today's opening high, then it will surely go to 52.38 today only. Now just have patience and wait for this candlesticks close. We have an inversion fair value gap which is not so big, but there it is. We have a breaker here, breaker short. The market will pull the prices up to it, and then it might go down, but I'm expecting a break of structure, break of this breaker. We will be in macro time frame in just 13 minutes. Our usual entry was at this level, but it did not, market did not reach here. If market had reached here, we would have taken entry from here, and this all would be our profit. Well, I will be trading till 3 a.m. 3 no, 4 a.m. today. Then I will close the stream and wait for the invite session, and I start streaming again at invite session, or maybe we must keep streaming up to the invite session 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. So this is going to be a very long stream. We are in total of $3,000, $3,300 lost today. We lost $600, $700. So we need to recover $700 plus we gain some profits to recover our, so we don't lose, so we don't lose our account. I really don't want to lose this account. This is a 100k funded account with 99% profit split and on demand payout. I hope the market has got the bullishness, and the market will go bullish now. Let's move our TP to 51 200. 51 200 is our TP now. Let's see if the market is able to break this or breaker or not, or we will be pushed down from here. We are in a supply zone now. Let me mark the supply zone on 30 minutes time frame. This is a breaker plus this is a supply zone. This is a supply zone. Let's mark it supply zone. Let's see if the market can break above this. If the market is break above this too, then we will be good to go more higher. We will have a 50 minutes candle closer in just 1 minute. I will add more position if we get any pullback. Well, this is a liquidity and we should clear this out tonight, now today. We will have a new 50-minute candles in just 30 seconds. Only if we are able to close your body candle close of the today's new day opening, we will be able to march towards the 5200 level. So we have a new 15 minutes candle now. Let's see how is it behaving with respect to breaker and this supply zone. I want this high to breaken out with a body candle close. Only then we will be able to go up higher more. As I have stated my problem, I keep trading until the daily drawdown is reached and I leave just a little portion so that I don't break the count. And that is the biggest drawback of mine. We will be in macro time frame in just 3 minutes from now. I think this is a strong order block, a breaker block and a supply zone. There are three factors that is pushing the prices lower. A pullback is necessary. I have identified my problem and I will work on it from the next time. I will have a fixed loss limit day for each day. This breaker is our enemy because it is also a supply zone there. Come on, break above, come on. You are in macro time frame now. This should give impulse moves to high side. Let's see the 1 hour time frame candle. The hourly time frame candle is quite good for the bull side. We have 8 more minutes till the candle closer. Let's look at NAS 100. The NS1 S100 is also going up, and it use this breaker here. It use this breaker to go high. Now it is going up. Let's mark this breaker long. Well, I was too afraid to take this long, and I think I did the right job. All this fluctuation would have driven me mad. Let's see, Dixie has come down a lot, but it has given a breaker lower, which might drop the prices of gold to lower. The gold is holding the prices at one place. I will come back in few minutes. So I'm back. The Dixie has begun to go up. So the gold may fall down now. So should I take any partial in gold or wait? I will add more positions here. The candlesticks are respecting this breaker block. If the breaker block is obliterated on 5 minutes, we will be in the new hour in just 4 minutes. And I am totally afraid about this candle going down. But the one thing that I have in mind is that gold rarely respects the breakers. But the fact that this is the swing high, and if there is a new high, then the market structure will be shifted in 15 minutes time frame. That is what's concerning me. And we have a major sell side down below, 1 and 2. This is what concerning me. I might consider getting out of this position. Just 2 more minutes and we will be in the new hour candle. Let's trace this to $100 $200. and profits. So our last trades profit is recovered and we are in some profits as well. I will save this account and take payout for sure. Just one more minute and we will win the new hour candle. So we are in the new hourly candle now, and I want to trace myself to $100, nothing more than that. So that the hourly candle can have some room to go up. Now let's look at it in 15 minutes time frame. Looking at hourly time frame. Should we get out or should we stay in the trade? Should we get out or we should stay in the trade? Write in the chat. Should we get out? Should we get out or we should stay in the trade? It's giving a good rejection. Let's look at it in 1 minute time frame. This candle looks kind of bearish. Once we break this high, I will add more positions in this. If we give a body candle close of this, I will add more position into this trade. Looking at the daily time frame, the market is fairly bullish. Hourly time frame has also turned bullish now. 30 minutes time frame has turned bullish too. 15 minutes time frame has also turned bullish. 5 minutes time frame is giving has turned bullish, but it is giving bearish kind of patterns. And 1 minute time frame is trying its best to go up. Let's keep an eye on the market on 15 minutes time frame. Well, we are in macro time frame. We have opened a swing position, and the market is rejecting directly from the midpoint of the breaker, that is mean threshold, and we have no idea how it is going to go up. I think the market will go up because if it had to go down, it would have already went down. It wouldn't have taken this long and held the prices up there. Let's look on DXY. The Dixie is coming down and it's still coming down. That means gold should have been going up right by now, but it is being held in a range. Mm, it is a matter of concern that all the candlesticks in the lower half of the breaker block, it is also indicating bearishness in the market. 2 more minutes to this 15 minutes candle closer. 'We have this break of structure, then this breaker, we have this inversion fair value gap. I'm sure this high will be taken out in the last 1 minute or 2 minutes. So we have this inversion fair value gap, and this is the target. If someone had courage to take this trade, then SL would be the low of this candle, then entry would have been here. SL would be low of this candle, and this will be the target, that is 1 is to 3. If someone had the courage to take this trade, only then. As I had said, this high will be taken out Now the market may return back to this position as I'm observing from the 50 minutes candle time frame. Well, this is a very good bullish candle closure on 15 minutes time frame. Let's look on the 5 minutes time frame on the mobile. This is a very good candle closure for the bull side. Let's look at 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, it is a very good candle closure and the market might go up from here. It would have been good if the candle had closed above this line. There is no news today, so we can expect normal price action. Now there is a thunder formation to the bearish side, and I think the market will go down, but I will still hold on to this trade, seeing the bullishness of the market. Let's look at 1 minute time frame now. Let's hold on to this trade. I want to hold on this trade no matter what is happening or what signal I'm getting for the short side. This is the short. This is the thunder FVG for the short, and this was the entry, and this might be the exit. So I might get taken out, but I will still hold on this trade. As I had said, I will wait. As the market is quite bullish today, and I will wait till my TP is hit. There is nothing here. Let's look at US 100. This fair value gap is respected. This breaker long was respected. The market will go all the way up here. Then let's look at oil. We had marked something in oil. So this went out of the trade. This trade was a loss then. This breaker did not do anything. It just broke below it. What is this? Thank you for. Let's see. So he received his account. Well, welcome. Let's come back at gold, and let's try to take that instant funded account trade for at $1,000 instant funded account trade. Well, this is a very good candle closer for bull side. I will take a long very soon. It's 0.03 lots. I will long here put my SL with $10. somewhere here. My entry will be here, $10 in total loss. Just buy it, and $20 will be TP. Nothing more, nothing less. Let's see how this trade goes as well. Well, this is a beautiful breaker here. So we have entered the trade. That is 1:2 trade. $9 risk, $10 risk for $20 reward. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the chat. I will be glad to answer. If you haven't liked the stream, like the stream, subscribe to the channel. The 30 minutes candle will close in 2 minutes. And it is trying its best to go up. But this CB is holding the prices lower. This CB is holding the prices lower. So let's mark it. And give it a gray color. Such an uncertainty in the trade. This is the hardest time of the trading when the market begins to engineer liquidity. Okay, okay, okay. That's good. That's good. Take TP. Take out the TP. Take out the TP. It's $15 in profit now. Currently need just $6 more. Yes, yes, yes. Hit the TP. Hit the TP. $18. We need $2 more. It's we just need $2 more. Now we need $5 more. Come on, push and break this high with a body candle close. Break this high with a body candle close. Come on, now don't come back down. Don't come back down. Don't come back down. Don't come back down. No, 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 no. This could go wrong. Just go up. Let me just trace the SL to $6. It came way all the way back down after clearing this breaker. That's not what I wanted to see. I wanted to see a clear close above this breaker. I am being hesitant on trailing the SL to $6. If it gives a barcode, a proper barcode, then I will trail the SL. Let's look at 5 minutes time frame. This was new. Oh shit. Now this was a very bad candle closer for bullish momentum. Let's just close the market at break even, and we will look for trades on the other side, or some other time. Let's go back at our 100k account and secure some profits. The market is looking quite bearish now. Let's look at 5 minutes candle. Give a candle close above this. Give a candle close above this high, just above this high. Yeah, this is a good candle closer, even though it wicked all the way down. Just have patience and enjoy being in the heavens and have the fear of falling into hell. That's what trading is. You are in stock, you are in drawdown, you live in hope, you live in pain and hope of going to heaven. When you are in greens, you live in absurdity and fear of look, falling to hell. So, what is hell and what is heaven? The SL is test $142. Our loss was $121 first one. So total of $600 of loss we have today. This is ascending triangle, and according to the SMC, according to retail mindset, it should go up. But according to SMC traders, it has cleared the buy side liquidity. Now it will go to sell side, and there is also a breaker here. Looking at the hourly, we will close this candle in 22 minutes. We are currently trading in the new week opening gap, new week's gap, and if we fill the gap, we will go all the way up to $5,200. Only if we fill the gap. Where here we have a CISD plus FVG on 1 minute time frame. Maybe that is holding the prices higher up. Here it is the CISD plus FVG. The reason that the prices are not falling down like a deck of cards. Let's get back to our other terminal. We are in $500 in profit and in a massive drawdown as well. Let's look at our RTFX account. Are we taken out or are we still in the trade? So we are still in the trade. $7 loss, or that's the last one. So we are saved by this FVG as well. The market is not showing any bullish momentum at all. We came down with just $1 or $2 from hitting the TP. I think I should have closed that trade manually. Closing that trade manually would have done the job. We are in hope and fear. The hope of TP and the fear of SL is there. Was a good candle Come on, bulls take over the market. Come on, bulls take over the market. I think I have streamed for like 2 hours now. Again, we are in $13 in profit, but we need $20. Let me show you. We are $14 in profit. Just a little bit more. Don't come down again. Just a little bit more. Just $3 more to hit our TP, and our target for the day will be completed. It's just $1, just one tick. Yep. So we have hit our target for the day, that is $20, and is for 19.50 cents. That is $195 in profit on this account. So let's look at in this account now. So our maximum day profit on that account is dollar. It's $700. So we have surpassed our today's loss. Now we are going in profits. Okay, so let's switch the time frame to 15 minutes time frame. If we give a body candle close of this high, then that would be a market structure shift, and we would look for more higher prices than this one. We could eventually go to explore 5222. It's one more minute to this 15 minutes candle closer. And can you see all these are high liquidity. This whole band is full of uh, buy stops, I mean sell stops. This is the huge liquidity for the market to take on. Yes. Now we are back at today's opening. The market can again deliver like 500 to 600 points again today, because according to the market we haven't moved anyway either ways, neither up nor down. This 15 minutes candle will close now, and we will move into the next 15 minutes candle, and after that a new hourly candle will begin. The New York session has begun. Sorry, the London session has begun already. It So this is the new 15 minutes candle now. We are just 160 pips away from our target. We will still be in drawdown, and I have to trade very carefully to get out of the drawdown and request any payout. The Asia high has been taken out now. Let's look at the daily candle. The market can go to this level. The market can come to this level. That is low of the CB. That is 527 level. We have surpassed the 977,000 level. Should we take a partial off? I want to take a partial at $1,000. Our TP is $1,700. But if we go according to this, 2007, 2007 we get 2000 in profits. So let's mark it. This is a very great rejection from the upside. I think after taking the liquidity, it has done this. I will take my SL to 400 or $500. So my most of the risk is covered. Even if it goes to my stop loss, we have 10 more minutes to this 30 minutes candle closer, and we are in macro time frame now. That is 352 14 macro. This high has been taken out, and I wanted to see a body candle close of this hourly candle, so this can confirm the market structure shift. but the body is rejected very sharply. There's 8 minutes more to this hourly at candle closer. If market had closed above this, then it would be an indication that the market is bullish and it will go to the bull side. But still, it took out this high. That is a good point to note. Let's if we go back to 1 hour time frame, 1 minute time frame, and if we use this market structure shift, then the market can come down quite a lot lower. Well, this breaker is of no use anymore. Four more minutes to this hour's body candle closer. Three more minutes to this candlesticks, this hour's closer, and opening of the new hour candle. I want to see a body candle close up of this line. That would be greatly beneficial for the bullish bias. Last minute to the body to the hourly candle closer. Let me slow down this first. Where it is? Yes. Hello. Ha. There. Yeah. Sorry for the inconvenience. How the hourly candle closed. We are in this trade right now with a real account. Just music, lofi music. No problem. Sorry for the inconvenience, guys. I had a phone call which I had to attend. I will restart reconnecting iPhone to my PC. So we are looking forward to TP. The trade is going very well. We are in a massive drawdown. We have recovered quite a lot. Now it's just 500 and $2,000. We are still in a massive drawdown. How much profits? If we get $1,000 right now, that would be a great help for recovering our losses. Let's see our hourly candle. If this candle has closed above this one, then that would have been a great for our bullish bias to continue higher. Things are looking bad for the bull side now. Just stay silent and look on the screen. We are in heavens and we are in fear of falling into hell. We are halfway through our TP. We are going to touch the yesterday's new day opening. This is 1 to 13 RR. Was this an exhaustion candle? Let's do fib on this. A perfect rejection between from 50% to 75%. The rejection is from the discount area. We were first 15 minutes closer of the hour in 2 minutes. Like I don't have any idea on how the market will go up to the our target and how long it will take. We have all these liquidities and I don't think market will leave those liquidities as down stay there for long. And today is a good bullish day. My mod according to my model, my TP has already been hit. That the risk was $200, $1,000 was the TP that is hit here. Okay, so we are now coming back down. I, Come on, like the stream, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more trades like this. Okay, so I will close the stream for now and update you in the new work session. Thank you for joining the stream and staying with me for so long. Bye bye.